Hello, everyone. Welcome to Friday. The S&P 500 was down 0.48% today. The surprising thing was literally about 20 minutes before the market closed, it was up almost a 0.5%. So it swung downward, right at the end, really almost a full percent. Which is interesting. I'm not sure what to think about that. Sometimes that means something for the next day, but heading into a weekend, oftentimes it doesn't. I think what is important today is that the growth stocks did well. And so what we have right now in our portfolio is kind of these growth stocks, these value stocks, and then this one inverse piece, that goes the opposite direction, the S&P 500. And so it was kind of interesting today at the very end, when the S&P 500 was coming down, I was watching the inverse piece shoot up the leaderboard, so to speak, within our portfolio. So again, that's why it's there to kind of give us some type of a parachute. But there's sort of a battle right now between this growth and value. So that's the big issue. Value is actually down today. It has been outperforming the market really well. And you could say that Dow is mostly value and the Dow is down today, and the NASDAQ index was mostly growth and the NASDAQ index was up today. My biggest concern, though, at the moment is really with that NASDAQ index and those growth pieces. We had to move out of some of the growth areas just because, we saw so much weakness. It was great today. It went up, but we need to see some carry through there. For example, the online retail today that we have was up 3.5%, which is great. The semiconductor piece that we have today was up 2.1%, which is also great, but they did very poorly yesterday. So they've been, as a whole, the growth stocks have been selling off for quite a while, and we've seen this move into value. And today it went the other way. Now, in normal times, actually, that's normal almost every day. It's why we always have growth and value in the portfolios. And hopefully we get back to that, and that's fine, because then you can create a balance by having both pieces. But this is such an unusual period where we had so much concentration and growth for so long because the value side were these sensitive stocks to the virus. And now we're seeing, this is kind of overpriced on the growth side and it's coming back down, and we're seeing this big movement into the value side. So, didn't happen today, so they went back and forth. So we'll have to see. I do think next week's going to be very interesting, especially for the growth side, to see if it can hold up, because it is showing some weakness, and it went up on lower volume last week, then it went down on much higher volume. So there's a lot of selling there. That weakness could continue. So that's something I'll be watching for next week. Will really be, how does growth do? I hope it holds up because I love these areas. I think they're really exciting, but at the same time, you can't fall in love with your investments, or at least I can't. I need to go where the money's going and get into those and fall in love with those other things if I have to. So anyway, that's what's happening on Friday. It's been an interesting week, to say the least, and we'll look forward to talking to you on Monday. Thank you very much.